Okay, so here's another one. Just looks like a question. That's okay. I'm going to go through it. Your manager asks you to set up a secure network connection at the remote site to move over some backups with which protocol would you use? All right. Yeah, so these are this one is either A plus or a network plus type of question. Yeah, you know what? I'm just going to answer it because this is not a real help desk ticket. So I'm just going to say, obviously, it's a secure file transfer protocol, which is under D here. Um, all right, all right. Again, I appreciate you putting in these tickets, but these are not tickets. These are just A plus questions or something like that. Just for your guys as benefit, I'm going to um, quickly just go over this. FTP under A is file transfer protocol. That's not secured file transfer protocol. They're talking about a secure way to transfer. DHCP is dynamic host configuration protocol. This is how your internet is set up. Your computer here that I'm using here gets an IP address from DHCP server, which is dynamic address. These are dynamically assigned, meaning that they're random IP addresses. So if you go to your computer and look up your IP address, that IP address is going to be dynamically assigned by DHCP server, which is your home router or your modem. Sometimes they are both the same thing. Sometimes they're like all in one, router and a modem. And IP just means internet protocol. Um, and then we've got secure file transfer protocol, which for that, let me see if I have it installed. I'm gonna show this briefly. This is not something as a help desk that you would be doing, but here's an example of software that you can use to transfer files using SFTP. So this program is called FileZilla, and then you can set it up on both ends. You can create a server, and then you can create a client. And then for those, then you would have to set up local key access and stuff like that. It's way more advanced than any help desk person would deal with. Um, I I think I have a video on this somewhere. If I don't, then I don't know. But I think I do have a video on this somewhere. Maybe like an older video. Maybe that's why I don't remember from a couple of years back. But you can set up what is just it's a client that let's say here, let's just look at random stuff. It's kind of like this where you just have direct access to folders like this. You just go to, this is how it kind of looks like. So whenever you open up FileZilla client to connect to any server, it doesn't even have to be a FileZilla server, but you can set it up that hosts that hosts your files. It would kind of look just like this. You're browsing folders and stuff like that once you're connected. There's more to it again. You have to set up a secure connection where you have to set up a key at the server, and then the server also has to have a client key. This and that. Again, this is one way of doing it, and the answer here is secure. I don't mind teaching people, and I've already but this is a different video. I've already made these type of videos. So I'm just going to reply to customers, say you can set up SFTP. I apologize, guys. I really didn't think these tickets were going to be all like this. And for those reasons, we're going to skip over to somebody else. We're going to come back to his at some point, but we're going to work them in between because these are not real help desk tickets at all. You can set up SFTP to transfer files. For example, you can use software like FileZilla to do this. Sure. Again, I appreciate you making effort, but these are not real help desk tickets. So I'm going to close this. All right. Guys, I have videos like this, and if you want to check them out, they're certainly on my channel. I have tons. I have like, I literally looked at it the other day. I have like 570 something videos, okay? If you, like 99% of the time when somebody asks me to make a video about something, the video is already made. All you have to do is just go to my channel, youtube.com/Kobuman. Cobuman. This channel, like literally under this video, click on the name Kobuman and click on search, which is on the right, and type in whatever the topic you have.